everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am gonna review a third piece of my Van Cleef collection. So this is my third piece. What I've got till today, it is the bracelet and the earrings, and now I've got for my birthday, yes, I've got this necklace, which it is like same as my bracelet, and I actually wanted this necklace for a long time already, and I'm super excited that I've got it. It's matching my bracelet, and this is the most favorite bracelet ever. Like, I truly feel like this bracelet have like so much effect. It's so very like noticeable, and it's bright, if you know what I mean. Like the color is really like vibrant. I love the color, and I am definitely like, you know, a huge fan of how this bracelet looked on my hand. This bracelet was the very first Van Cleef piece ever. This is how I started falling in love with this brand, and I've decided that I really want a matching necklace to this bracelet, even comparing it to the Love bracelet by Cartier and to the Chanel watch that I'm having here on my second hand. So this bracelet is just way more noticeable, and it's like way more vibrant, and just looks, I think, better than all these pieces. I usually wear this bracelet with my Cartier pieces, with my nail Cartier bracelet, and with my Love bracelet. But today, of course, I decided I should wear it alone. Ta-da! Here is the package inside. And what's so very cool is that once you are taking out the package, it goes out with like the base with the bottom, and it's so very cool. I am, of course, you know, packed it. It's like empty right now because I'm wearing the necklace. I packed it all back, you know, just to show you how it looked like. But of course, that I filmed everything for you. So guys, let me show you the detailed unboxing of this piece of jewelry of mine, and yeah, let's get started. Now guys, right before we are starting the review and the unboxing, I would really love to tell you a little bit more about the brand history and about the love story behind it. Let's get started.
I bet you don't know the love story behind one of the most luxurious, famous, and expensive brands in the world, Van Cleef and Arpels. It all started in 1895 in the heart of Paris with the marriage of Estelle Arpels, daughter of a dealer in precious stones, and Alfred Van Cleef, son of a lapidary. The young couple shared the same values, a spirit of enthusiasm and innovation, a sense of family, and a passion for precious stones. So they've decided to create the Van Cleef and Arpels French luxury jewelry company. The four-leaf clover shape emblematic of the collection called Alhambra was created in 1968 by Jacques Arpels. He collected four-leaf clovers in his garden, and today, it's one of the most recognizable jewelry collections was ever created. Our days, Richemont is the owner of Van Cleef. They are also the owners of most of the luxury brands all around the world. They own brands like Cartier, Net-a-Porter, IWC, Piaget, Montblanc, Jaeger-LeCoultre, Panerai, Chloe, Roger Dubuis, and so many other luxury brands. So whenever you're buying from a various high-end brands, you're actually always making richer the very same person.
Anyway, this is how it looks like on the body, you know, like on necklace. This is the magic piece, and this is so very excited, guys. So please let me know your opinion down below. Please let me know what do you think about it. Please let me know what you think about my small collection of Van Cleef. And I am so very excited about this necklace, honestly. There is obviously nothing new in this video because I've seen so many unboxings and like reviews of these necklaces in different colors all around YouTube, of the bracelets and so very on. But I've never found like a very, very detailed unboxing when every single piece, how it is coming by mail. By the way, yes, I bought it online, not in the boutique, because we don't have a boutique here in my state. I am in North Carolina, so the closest boutique will be in Atlanta, Georgia, or in DC, Washington. And obviously, I'm not gonna drive 6 hours for a boutique when I can get it online. No reason for that. So if we would have a boutique in my state, like in Charlotte or in Raleigh, sure, I will go and check it out, because it's gonna be like just like, you know, an hour or 2 hours away from me. But no, we do not have here in this state currently a VCA boutique, so this is why I had to order online. And after watching so many YouTube videos, you know, about unboxings and about trying on and showing off, so this video is basically more dedicated to how is it arriving by mail, and every piece of them is wrapped like a gift piece, and this is how it's going to look like if you are going to order it online. So this is why I've decided to film this video today, guys, just to give you a very detailed, you know, like unboxing and a review of the item, just so you could compare this one to whatever you've received in case you need this information. If you do not need the detailed unboxing, well, just enjoy this review of mine. So I personally think this is so very gorgeous. It have like, you know, so much chic, so much style, so much like fashionable. This one is very noticeable, and I love noticeable like items. I love noticeable pieces. This is how I build my closet. This is how I build my collection. I only like noticeable items. I think my only like classic item will be the like Cartier Love bracelet, and I think the nail bracelet also, like, you know, gonna be a classic. Can the nail bracelet consider like as a classic bracelet? I don't know, let me know down below in the comments. But because everyone have these bracelets for like decades, I just feel like these bracelets are completely classic and they're like not as noticeable as like, you know, Van Cleef pieces and Van Cleef items. So I truly love how noticeable the necklace is, and all other like, you know, Van Cleef pieces. I truly in love with this collection. I honestly don't like all the butterflies collection, because I feel like the butterflies collection and, you know, all the incense like collection that they're having, I feel like it's more like for kids. I mean, I don't know, if you're like 40, 45 years old, or even 35, 30 years old, would you wear a butterfly? I mean, obviously, yes, it's great. I like it. There's no rules. You should wear whatever you want. You should, you know, do and style whatever you feel like. Obviously, I'm just saying my personal opinion about the other collections. So I feel like the butterflies and all the incense that they're putting on their jewelry, it just looks like very childish. You know what I'm saying? It's like, looks like this is a teenager type of jewelry. And I am, as a 34 years old woman, wouldn't wear it, because I just feel like, I don't know, it's like, once again, it's like Pandora. And you don't have to agree with me, but I feel like Pandora, it's like a teenager brand. Like, it's just the teenagers. I mean, I can definitely see like a teenager girl, like 16, 17 years old girl, 18, 19 years old girl, going with like a bracelet full of like Pandora, you know, charms bracelet. Sure, it's gonna look cool. But I just cannot imagine like, you know, a grown-up woman, an elegant like grown-up woman wearing that, because, and obviously you can, there's no any problem about it, but I just feel like brands like Cartier and like Graf and Diamonds, it's more like for like, you know, adults, while things like Pandora and VCA collections with the butterflies and bugs, it's more like for teenagers. This is my personal opinion. Obviously, you don't have to agree with me. Please let me know down below in the comments your opinion and what do you think. Yeah, and let's have a discussion. Please share. This is a non-sponsored review, unfortunately, and like obviously I'm not there yet. Like, I only have like 100,000 like of subscribers. I don't know how many millions of subscribers you should have to get like, you know, VCA partnership, but this video is obviously non-sponsored, but I still will leave you all the links for VCA pieces down below in the description box, just so you could, you know, have a direct link to the pieces that I am wearing in this video of mine. That was mainly like, you know, a review for the necklace because it's a new one and I've got it for my birthday, yay! But the other pieces, I will definitely also leave you all the links down below in the description box, so be so very sure to check it out. This is, by the way, the very first one VCA video review here on my channel, even though this is my third piece. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Valentine.